Imagine a wave of molasses racing through the streets. In January 1919, a massive storage tank in Boston burst, unleashing over 2 million gallons of molasses. This sticky deluge surged through the North End at 35 miles per hour, demolishing buildings, uprooting trees, and tragically claiming 21 lives. Eyewitnesses described the scene as chaos, with people trapped in the gooey wave, desperately fighting to escape. Rescue efforts were hampered by the thick, slow-moving molasses, which coated everything in its path. The aftermath led to significant changes in regulations for industrial storage tanks. This bizarre disaster is a stark reminder of how even the sweetest substances can wreak havoc when they escape containment.